A young BJP leader and his family members have been murdered in cold blood. The news just came back some time back, about an hour back, by Pakistan-backed terrorists in Kashmir's Bandipora. This news breaking on Republic a short while back. Here is what we know so far, and then we'll debate.
At 9:01 p.m., the news of terrorists attacking former BJP district president of Bandipora, Sheikh Wasim Bari, came from Kashmir. He was at his shop with his father and brother when terrorists opened fire. Wasim Bari and his family members have succumbed.
It was exactly at 8:45 when the militants targeted BJP Neta Wasim Bari at his shop. In fact, not only he was present, but also his brother and father was also present at his shop. They fired from a very close range. In fact, we are picking from the sources that it was a pistol fire. What we are picking also from the sources that the Wasim succumbed there. In fact, the father and the brother were shifted to the hospital, but father succumbed on way and the brother succumbed in the hospital. We are also picking from the sources that the JKP had allotted some 7 PSOs to Wasim, but all the PSOs were absent, and now the JKP has arrested all 7 PSOs.
A proud nationalist, a patriot, and young politician who took pride in the work he did for Kashmir and Kashmiris. His cold-blooded murder has sent shockwaves across the country. 8 PSOs who were supposed to give him security have all been arrested. The gruesome murder, a chilling reminder of what happened in November 2018 when terrorists had gunned down BJP leader Anil Parihar in Kishtwar. Pakistan-sponsored terrorists are getting increasingly desperate as forces carry out an unrelenting crackdown in the form of Operation Wipeout. From children as young as 3 to their aged grandparents. From elected representatives of the people who tried upholding values of democracy, and even common Kashmiris, terrorists aided by Pakistan aren't fighting for Azadi. They are fighting against humanity. They deserve no mercy. It's time for terror backers and Pak sympathizers to yank out the blinkers and unite in the war against terror. Let's debate.
Okay, opening the debate here. This terrible news just came in, General Bakshi and GVL Narasimha Rao. This news came in about an hour back. Incident seems to have happened about 2 hours back. First question which comes to my mind is, an entire family wiped out. The BJP ex-district president, Sheikh Wasim Bari, young leader, his father and his brother. Iftikhar Misgar, who killed them?
See, Arnab,
Iftikhar, who killed them? Iftikhar, who killed them?
I'll tell you, let me speak, Arnab.
I want you to speak against those who killed them.
We were told that abrogation of 370 article would bring
I'm asking you who killed him.
Prosperity to the Kashmir. But
I'm asking today. I'm asking who killed him.
This is
who killed him?
This is only the repercussions of August.
Okay, so he justifies it. You saw that. GVL Narasimha Rao, Iftikhar Misgar justifying a cold-blooded killing. GVL Narasimha Rao. Thank you, Iftikhar. GVL Narasimha Rao.
We are seeing only deaths and destructions in Kashmir. What is government doing? Government has misled the people of the country.
The more incidents like this happen and you remain quiet, it is your silence.
Every day Kashmiris are being killed.
And have picked up the courage to really call them out. These are people who killed Kashmiris.
So which courage you showed?
I think you are
which
not
courage your party showed?
For your own people.
This is shame on your party who spoiled.
Are you also bought out?
Falta Kashmir. The beautiful
why,
Kashmir was spoiled by
you don't
strategies and terrible movements of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
What they did in
post-August 5.
For their heinous acts
You must
of crime
understand.
against their own people.
This is a clear example of security lapse.
Every day Kashmiris are dying. Every day Kashmiris are dying and BJP
Who's
is not
killing the
doing it.
Kashmiris?
Militants are called
Kashmiris are being killed by the misdeeds and mispolitical...
No, but who is... One second. Lalit,
Mispolitical
Lalit, GVL a minute.
If you can talk to China,
Iftikhar, thanks. We should not go speak in circles. First of all, this is terrible news. This is terrible news. It gives us pain. Iftikhar, thanks. I left Sarfaraz on the right. This terrible news. It gives us pain. Okay? First of all, we must understand. A young leader and a Kashmiri. Please don't forget, Sarfaraz, that Sheikh Wasim Bari was a Kashmiri and a nationalist Kashmiri.
Exactly.
And we must understand. I keep saying this that beyond political differences.
This is an example.
Sarfaraz, may I complete my point to you and then you respond. Don't be in a hurry. Sarfaraz, my limited point to you is, and Lalit, I'll let you come in after Sarfaraz, is that at one point, all of you must understand that terrorists are killing Kashmiris. Terrorists are killing. You must gather the courage to say, I may not agree with Wasim Bari. He may have been from another political party, but he was a fellow Kashmiri and he was innocent and he was killed by terrorists. I just want you to say that.
Are not safe. There is a need to introspect. That this is a clear example how security
Who
issues
killed
are
him?
being taken so lightly. The house security issues are being taken lightly. There were 9 people who were supposed
He'll
to
speak
guard
about
him.
everything, but
Why
who
were
killed
there
him?
9 people?
He will
Why
not
were
even
there 9
refer to the
people
Lashkar-e-Toiba and he will not even refer to the Lashkar ones.
Who is JNK police responsible?
He will not even
JNK
speak of the
police
Lashkar
reports
ones. He will not speak about the Jaish ones.
JNK police reports to Home Ministry.
He'll
So who is
answer
not
anything.
directly
No.
responsible for
This
this?
no.
It's not just a
Sarfaraz,
security lapse. It's
Sarfaraz.
not just a security
Today,
lapse.
all of
I'm saying
India.
this is a
One second,
clear security
Sarfaraz.
lapse.
All of India mourns
This is a
Wasim Bari,
clear
right?
security lapse.
All of India condemns his death. His death will be avenged. I'll tell you why. But I want to tell you. I want to tell you as I run the pictures of this nationalist piece. There were some pictures which were there. See, one point is, Sarfaraz. I'll let Lalit come in before. I just want to make one point. One viewers, Wasim Bari was killed because he was a Kashmiri who stood by Ajay Pandita. And so ironical that when Ajay Pandita Bharti was killed, he strongly condemned the killing and he said it was a cowardly act. Wasim Bari was killed because he held the national flag with pride. He was killed because he said that in New India, terrorists have no place. He was serving the people of Kashmir. And the irony is, Lalit, that people who are anti-terrorist, who hold the flag with pride, who serve the people of Kashmir are being killed. And I was hoping today that at least today, Sarfaraz and Iftikhar would gather the courage to speak the truth, Lalit. But I've been disappointed again.
Yeah, let me tell you, this macabre dance of death and destruction has been playing out in the streets of Kashmir since 14th of September 1989, when the tallest leader of Kashmiri Hindus, who also happened to be a BJP leader, Tikalal Tapulu, was assassinated in the broad daylight. And that followed the killing of Kashmiri Hindus, the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. They are targeting every symbol of Indianness in Kashmir. And people like Shashi Tharoor, who try to politicize the martyrdom of Ajay Pandita Bharti, saying that he was a congressman, that's why he was killed. He politicized it, giving an alibi to Pak-sponsored Kashmiri Jihadists. See, Kashmiri, this BJP man has not been killed because he represents BJP. He has been killed because he was associated with the idea of India and Kashmir. After the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus, who were seen also as Kafirs because they happen to be Hindus. Now, every symbol operating in Kashmir that is seen anyway connected with the idea of India will be targeted. And that's why Muslims are being targeted. The nationalist Muslims of Kashmir
this is not a communal issue, Lalit, and I think you're wrong in making that point. I want to stay with the limited issue. And viewers, I think this is wrong. I'll make a point as I go across to Zeenat. Zeenat, as I go across to Zeenat, thank you so much. You see, viewers, Sheikh Wasim Bari. Thank you, Lalit. Thank you. Can the volume be down? I'd be so grateful. Sheikh Wasim Bari stood in solidarity with our forces. After Galwan, he said time has come to unite against India's enemies. He was committed to bringing in a wave of nationalism. He spoke about brotherhood with Kashmiri Pandits. He represented a view, and he was a young emerging politician. What surprises me though, Zeenat, is that where was the security? Did he not have any security around him? Where were they? How many security persons did he have? Were they armed? How did the attack happen?
See, Arnav, we need to understand this is a completely security lapse that has come from the Jammu Kashmir police. Although some 10 PSOs were allotted to BJP leader as per IG Kashmir, and all the PSOs have been arrested.
10 PSOs? Where were the 10
whenever
PSOs?
security is provided to any person, because only... Yes, absolutely. 10 PSOs were allotted to him by the Jammu Kashmir police. They were the PSOs, that means the personal security guards. Their duty is to be with him all the time, because this leader was facing security threats. Because whenever a PSO is allotted or a static guard is allotted to any person, that means he is under the radar of terrorist threat. That is the only reason when such PSOs or the static guards are provided by Jammu Kashmir police, who is the actual authority to provide after doing the surveys of a concerned person. In this case, 10 PSOs were allotted to the person, but none of them were present when the BJP Neta was targeted. In fact, this is a pistol fire from a very close range, and he died there.
You're saying he had no security personnel around him? 1 second, Zeenat, are you saying that a politician who had 10 PSOs at the time of the attack had nobody around him?
Absolutely, Arnab. Nobody was around him when he was targeted by the terrorists. Fired from a very close lane. We are picking from the sources. It's a pistol fire. In fact, not only he was critically injured, but also his brother and father who was accompanying him at the shop, too were critically injured. In fact, the BJP Neta Wasim Bari succumbed there itself. The both brother as well as a father were shifted to the hospital where they were declared dead. The attack took place around 8:45 when what we are picking is that they were riding a motorbike when they fired to these people from a very close range. In fact, IG Kashmir has cleared that they have arrested all the 10 PSOs of this BJP Neta, although cordon search operations have been launched. And another point that I want to raise here, that the attack, where this attack took place, it is just 50 meters from the concerned police station of Jammu Kashmir police, where the attack took place. That means just Jammu Kashmir police people were actually just 50 meters away from the place when the BJP Neta was targeted. It's a cold-blooded murder that had happened in North Kashmir's Bandipora. Bandipora, known for Lashkar. It's a bastion of Lashkar for a long time. We have seen mostly the Pakistani terrorists.
Where is your security, GVL, just a minute, please, just a minute. GVL, why is the security for people, who are risking their lives, fighting for the country, where is the security? I asked you the question when Sarpanch Ajay Pandita, 8th June, was killed. Okay, now a BJP district ex-president has been killed along with his family. Where is the security to these people? Is the security only on paper?
That's what we are saying.
Just a minute, please. But don't use it to absolve terrorists. Thank you. Thank you. I'm asking GVL.
Should not have sold out.
I'm asking GVL. Thank you.
It's a very, very important question and serious question which needs answers. And in this case, I'm hearing about this case on your program and from your reporter. 10 PSOs have been assigned, so he was rated on a very, very high risk. Generally,
no. So where was his security? Why was his security only on paper?
No. I see. This is an investigation, and this.
No, that is. I mean, you must admit that it's a big lapse.
Clearly a failure, Arnab. And certainly it needs action against people who have been found.
No, but it's a failure after the killing of Sarpanch Ajay Pandita. I mean, BJP leaders like Girdali Lal Raina had raised the issue on 12th June. And he had said that the administration can't escape its part of the blame. They refused or remained indifferent to security concerns of ground-level political workers. Why don't you understand what I'm saying?
Absolutely. Very, very, very serious question, and there could be many more targeted. It certainly needs a comprehensive
They couldn't
review.
protect the protected
but in this
person.
case,
They have failed to protect.
was it complete dereliction of duty, or what really happened? Or like
you're
you said,
answerable.
why were 10
your
people, if
inquiry
not
won't
10,
get
at least
their
5
lives
should have been
back.
on duty.
Why you have
I
failed
think
to
it's
protect
a
your
serious,
leader?
it's a question,
Why you have
it's a security.
Why you have failed to protect
it's
your leader?
certainly
Question goes to you.
It's certainly a lapse that needs to be investigated. I'm sure the administration...
that's it.
For
That's-
how long
into
you will
and
investigate it?
take
Investigation,
firm action
you know
against
what
people.
investigation? Why
Okay,
you were not
okay.
alert?
Thank
Why
you.
were
Since
not alert after the killing of Najib Pandit?
Inam, 1 minute.
Why were
Inam,
all the 10
Inam,
people arrested at the same time,
Inam,
and when there was a clear evidence?
Inam, 1 second. Inam, no, 1 minute. Inam is on the debate with General Bakshi. 1 second. Inam and General Bakshi. Inam and General Bakshi are on the debate. Inam, listen here. You know, a few days back, General Bakshi, when a young 3-year-old child was rescued by security forces and his 65-year-old grandfather lay dead and the child was weeping, and the bullets came from a mosque and near one of the outer peripheries of the mosque was used as an area by these terrorists to shoot at security forces and kill unarmed people. On that day, Inamun Nabi came on my program and he said, no, the 65-year-old man was killed by security forces. Today, in your presence, General Bakshi, I will ask Inamun Nabi to tell me who killed his fellow Kashmiri brother, Sheikh Wasim Bari, along with his brother and his father. Who killed them?
I don't know who has killed them, but
I don't know,
my
he says.
heartfelt condolence.
I don't know.
My heartfelt condolence to the family.
I don't know
Yes.
means what?
Why
No,
they were
would you,
not,
okay,
PSOs?
here's a
Where were
question.
their
Here's a
PSOs?
question to you, 1 minute, Inam. No,
Where were
here's
the
a question
PSOs?
to you.
10
Here's
PSOs.
a question to
Where
you.
were the 10
Here's a
PSOs?
question to you. Don't be worried. Inam, those who killed Sheikh Wasim Bari, who was unarmed, who had no security with him, are they cowards?
Whosoever killed the unarmed Kashmiris, anybody.
No.
they are
The one who
cowards.
killed Sheikh
My
Wasim
heartfelt-
Bari,
No.
are they cowards?
Yes,
Or are you
they
a coward
cowards.
that you can't call them a coward?
Absolutely, they are cowards. But the thing is, where
General
were his
Bakshi.
PSOs? Why there was so much security lapse? 10 security personnel were absent. How it is possible? At least there has been a
Arnab, can I
person there.
please comment?
Yeah.
Let us first
Can I
get
please
together.
comment?
My question remained.
Excuse me.
My question has remained unanswered. I'm short of time,
Sir,
General
that
Bakshi.
question was addressed to me, and can I answer it?
I'm completely
You know,
short of time, General
Arnab,
Bakshi.
the
I'll take that
simple
answer.
fact is-
I promise to be back tomorrow, sharp at 9. And ladies and gentlemen, those who are refusing to talk about who killed this young political leader must answer their conscience. I'll see you at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.